Hello, mathematicians. I'm going to continue my nature work with this page, which is produced by the same publisher, Happy Little Kindergarten, and Swimmin Subtraction. And in this page, the last page with butterflies was all addition. With this one, Swimmin Subtraction is all subtraction only. And there are pictures of goldfish in bowls to give you the counters able to be used for the work. Name at the top. Have your pencil and markers ready. And then I'll show you how we're going to use this. I'll do one, and then you can finish the rest. I like these two pages in kind of conjunction with each other, because one is pure addition practice and one is pure subtraction practice. Coming back again to our ideas, remembering that the four operations in computation: addition, subtraction, multiplication, division. Good. And when we are looking for the difference, to find the difference, I need to subtract, minus sign. And to find the sum, I need to add. That's the plus symbol. Way back in your brain, as I mentioned, front of the brain, or the back of the brain, the whole time you are doing that, you are comparing amounts. You are comparing amounts in the sets. Okay, so let's take a look at this page. Swimmin Subtraction. There's a goldfish bowl, and you can color them in later on too, which is kind of just a nice part I like about these two pages with nature and weather getting better and being able to be outside and look at nature and animals and plants. There's a number sentence or number problem at the bottom of the box. At the top of the box, there's a fish bowl, goldfish or other fish, and the number in the bowl matches the first numeral, number in the bowl, right? Amount, difference, matches the numeral printed, matches the numeral that comes first in the subtraction sentence. Now, this set matching will help you with the subtraction part. And as I've said before, if you know this already, you can just write the numeral in there if you wish to. I think it's funner by just taking the time and doing some work with the counters at the top, which are there to help you to be sure it's not just, but it's a deep understanding of subtraction. We're finding the difference. So I have my pencil. I'm using a gray marker, pretending it to be my pencil, and my purple for my math symbols. I'm going to trace the work right here first. 3, I'm tracing that, minus, I like to trace it just to help me stay in my brain and remember what I'm doing. 3 minus 2 equals. That's our number sentence, or our numeral sentence. It's our math equation, our subtraction sentence, our subtraction work. 3 minus 2 equals. So I see how I have my 3 fish. That's right there. 1, 2, 3. That matches. Now what I'm going to do is take away. I see minus. And so the way that I would do a takeaway, again, you can color in your fish first using your crayons. And coloring the water, don't forget to add a table because it looks like it's floating in space. Those bowls look like they're floating in space. They really should have at least a table under them. Hello? Or that bowl could be breaking if it bumps into a wall while it's floating. Okay. 3 minus 2. I'm going to put a line through 2 of them. That's how I'm showing takeaway. You know, it's kind of like, that looks like a minus sign a little bit. Or you can put an X if you want to, or you can put a question mark if you wanted to. I'm just going to make a simple line. 3, take away 2 means how many is left over. What's the difference between 3 and 2? To find the difference, I need to subtract. 3 minus 2 equals 1. And that's how the work works on this page. Trace, count to check, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 5. 5, take away 1. Equals. I'm going to go back and trace my numerals here. 5 minus 1 equals, how many are left? If I have 5 and I take away 1, then I have 1, 2, 3, 4. I'm going to count it twice. Then the answer, 5 minus 1 equals 4. And then later, I can go back and color those fish, make a striped zebrafish. They could be goldfish are often in bowls like that. Remember, your table or that bowl is going to be floating in space and bump into a wall and fall, and then there'll be no fish left. Swimmin subtraction. Okay, have fun, work carefully.